Artificial intelligence is changing the job market faster than ever. Every day, new tools are automating tasks that once required human workers. But this raises an important question. Which jobs are actually safe from AI, and which ones will continue to pay well in the future? In this video, we'll explore 7 high-paying careers that are expected to remain difficult for artificial intelligence to replace. While automation is transforming many industries, not all work can be easily replaced. Some professions depend on uniquely human abilities such as emotional intelligence, creativity, complex judgment, and real-world adaptability. These skills are difficult for machines to replicate. As a result, certain careers are likely to remain both valuable and in demand, even as technology continues to advance. Let's take a closer look at these roles. Healthcare professionals, including doctors, nurses, and medical specialists, are among the most secure careers. While artificial intelligence can assist with diagnosis and data analysis, patient care involves far more than information. It requires empathy, communication, and the ability to make complex decisions in unpredictable situations. In critical moments, human judgment and experience are essential. Because of this, healthcare roles are expected to remain both high-paying and highly valued. Skilled trades such as electricians, plumbers, and construction professionals are also difficult to automate. These jobs take place in constantly changing physical environments where conditions are rarely predictable. Workers must adapt quickly, solve problems on site, and use hands-on skills. While technology can assist with certain tasks, fully replacing these roles is extremely challenging. As a result, skilled trades continue to offer strong income potential and long-term stability. Mental health professionals, including psychologists and therapists, rely heavily on human connection. People seeking support are not just looking for information, they need understanding, empathy, and trust. Although artificial intelligence can simulate conversation, it cannot truly experience emotions. This makes it difficult for AI to replace the deep interpersonal relationships required in this field. As awareness of mental health continues to grow, demand for these roles is expected to increase. Creative professionals such as writers, designers, and filmmakers also remain highly valuable. Artificial intelligence can generate content, but it often relies on patterns from existing data. Human creativity, on the other hand, is shaped by personal experience, culture, and imagination. Original ideas and meaningful storytelling are difficult to replicate with machines. Because of this, creative roles continue to play an important role in many industries. Senior managers and business leaders are responsible for making high-level decisions that impact entire organizations. These decisions often involve uncertainty, long-term strategy, and human dynamics. While artificial intelligence can provide data and recommendations, final decisions require accountability and judgment. Organizations are unlikely to fully automate roles that carry significant responsibility. This makes leadership positions both secure and well-compensated. Legal professionals, including lawyers and judges, handle complex interpretation of laws and regulations. Their work often involves critical thinking, negotiation, and ethical responsibility. Although AI can assist with research and document review, it cannot replace the nuanced reasoning required in legal decisions. In cases involving serious consequences, human oversight remains essential. As a result, legal careers continue to offer strong earning potential and stability. Educators and mentors play a vital role in shaping future generations. Education is not just about delivering information. It involves guidance, motivation, and personal connection. Students often learn best through interaction with someone they trust and respect. While technology can support learning, it cannot fully replace the human element of teaching. This makes education a career that remains both meaningful and resilient. If we look closely, all of these careers share something in common. They rely on human qualities that are difficult to automate, such as empathy, creativity, adaptability, and responsibility. The future of work is not just about avoiding automation. It's about understanding where human value remains strongest. While artificial intelligence will continue to transform industries, it is unlikely to replace roles that depend on deeply human abilities. Choosing a career in these areas can provide not only job security, but also strong earning potential in the years ahead. As technology evolves, the most successful individuals may be those who learn how to combine human strengths with powerful new tools.